Hi, my name is Joanna Cahill, and I'm the owner of Healthy Home Cleaning based in Asheville, North Carolina. We're a green cleaning business that specializes in the use of non-toxic products. Today, we're going to talk about how to remove honey from your carpet. All right, so today what you're going to need is a cleaning bottle that's empty, preferably one that has markings on the side for measuring dilution of your cleaning product. Today we're going to be using Simple Green with lemons, which is an excellent commercial cleaner that is good for cleaning carpets. You're going to need a dull knife and just a cleaning cloth, a cloth that's preferably lighter. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to try to remove as much of the honey with the knife. Okay, so we've gotten it up onto our knife. Go ahead and wipe it on the edge of your towel here. Okay, so you're going to want to dilute the Simple Green. So you take 1 part Simple Green, you use these measurements on the side, to 30 parts water. So it's a really economical product to use. And then we'll go ahead and spray the product onto the carpet. And then we're going to go ahead and blot it with our cloth. So you're not rubbing it, you're not agitating the carpet, we're just blotting here. Okay, so I see some honey coming off onto my towel. And then we're going to repeat this process. So we're going to go ahead and spray on our solution. And blot the carpet. Okay, so now my towel is clean. I don't see any more honey on this piece of carpet, so I'm all done. But if you still have honey on there, you're going to want to go ahead and repeat this process until you've removed the stain. This is Joanna Cahill with Healthy Home Cleaning, and I want to thank you for watching how to remove honey stains from your carpet.